Hello everyone. So I don't know if you actually know that with PowerPoint you can create wonderful backgrounds. You can create your web graphics and you can even use them on your website or to create banners, headers or other stuff for your website. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a nice grid background in PowerPoint. So let's just make this together. Open PowerPoint and choose here a blank presentation, and from layout choose blank. Then we'll make a nice color for the background. So right click and from format background choose gradient fill, and here you can make this nice blue gradient. So let's say here you have another color. Let me choose from preset gradients this one. From type choose radial. From direction choose from center, and here you change the colors by selecting this button. Then click on this button for colors here and choose this blue shade. Then select the middle button, go to colors and choose the same blue shade. Then turn to the color sys button, choose more colors option, and from this slider button pick a lighter shade of blue. Then press OK. Then select the third button of the gradient. From colors choose the last color you used. Then return to colors and from more colors choose an even lighter blue. Then press OK. So now you have a nice blue background and you can close this pane from here. And now we'll proceed to make the grid. So go here to insert shapes, choose the line, and here you can see this ruler, and we'll start to make the first line of the grid here at this point, right? So in order to draw a straight line you have to press the shift key on the keyboard, then draw this line until the margin of the slide. Then you can release the mouse and afterwards the shift key. Okay, now we can see this line very good because it's kind of the same color as the background, but we can make it more visible by going to shape outline and choose white, and from here you can even make this line dashed, but I leave this line as it is now. Now we'll duplicate this line as many times as needed for covering the whole slide, and if you look at the ruler you can see that it ends at the 16.5 point, and we'll duplicate the line until it reaches this point here. So let's duplicate this line by pressing the Ctrl and D keys until it reaches the 16.5 mark on the ruler. Okay, now I'm zooming out to see the whole picture by pressing the Ctrl key and scrolling down on the mouse wheel until I see the whole picture. Then by clicking here outside and dragging with the mouse on the slide, I select all the lines. Then go to Align and choose Align to Top. And now you have all the lines aligned. Let me zoom in to see better. Now I'll group these vertical lines by pressing Ctrl and G, and from the Align tab we go to Align Center and Align Middle, so that all this group is right at the center of the slide. Now we'll make the horizontal lines in the same way we did with the vertical ones, so pay attention to this ruler. We'll start here as close to the top margin as we can and end here at the bottom. Okay, I go to Insert, Shapes, choose the line, and I'm now pressing the Shift key and draw a straight horizontal line until here. And I release the mouse, then the Shift key. Then from the Shape Outline I make the line white so I can see it. And now I can duplicate the line until it reaches the bottom of the slide. I press Ctrl and D keys until the lines reach this point. Okay, now I zoom out to see the whole image and select all the lines. And here you can see it's also selected the group of the vertical lines. So to unselect this group, I press the Shift key and click once on this group of lines. So now only the horizontal lines remain selected. Then I go to Align Left, and now if I zoom in to see better, you see all the lines are perfectly aligned with the slide. And by pressing Ctrl and G, I group all the horizontal lines. Now if you want to write or draw something on this slide, it will mess with this group of lines, and we don't want that. Let me zoom out. So what you have to do is to select these two groups of lines, then group them together with Ctrl and G. So here we have all the lines into a grid-like group. Let me align it to the slide. Align center, align middle. Okay, then cut the grid by pressing Ctrl and X keys. Then go to the View tab, then Slide Master. And here are the first slide selected. Then by pressing Ctrl and V keys, we paste the grid here. So now we'll have the grid on all the slides that you might want to add to this PowerPoint presentation. Then close the master view. Now if you want to add a shape or a text to this slide, you'll not mess up with the grid. Okay, that's all for today. You've seen how to make a nice grid background in PowerPoint for your slides. If you want to see it on the whole screen, you just click here on the slideshow button. Here it is. So that's a wonderful background, I think. And you can use this slide not only for PowerPoint presentations, but if you go to File and Save As, then choose a place to save it. Then click this arrow to choose to save it as a PNG or JPG file. You can use this as web graphic. Then give it a name and press Save. But I'll not save this now, just wanted to show you. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial about PowerPoint. I'll make other PowerPoint tutorials, so you better subscribe to this channel and click the notifications bell. And if you like this video, please share it with the others. Take care.